In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use strategies in Thinkorswim. By the end, you'll know how to add a strategy to your chart, see where buy and sell signals would have triggered, and pull a quick backtest report to evaluate how it might have performed historically. This walkthrough is for the desktop platform and is designed to be simple, clear, and practical. First, open the Thinkorswim desktop platform. Give it a moment to load your data and charts so everything is up to date. What we're doing here is strictly for testing and education. You're looking at how a predefined set of rules would have traded in the past, not placing live trades. Next, head to the Charts tab. This is where you'll apply, view, and assess the strategy signals directly on a price chart. Make sure you're on the symbol and time frame you care about, because strategies will use whatever is currently shown on your screen. Now, click Studies, then choose Edit Studies. This opens the window where you normally add indicators, but it also houses strategies. Thinkorswim separates indicators from strategies because strategies can generate hypothetical entries and exits, which we'll use to backtest. Inside that window, click the Strategies tab. Here you'll see a list of built-in strategies. You can browse or use the search field to quickly find what you're after. For a simple example, try a moving average strategy. These look for crossovers between faster and slower moving averages to generate potential buy and sell points. Find the strategy you want and double-click it to add it to your chart. You'll see it appear in the Added Items area on the right side of the window. If the strategy supports inputs, it will come in with defaults appropriate for many charts, which is fine for a first pass. Click Apply to push the changes to your chart, then click OK to close the window. Your chart will refresh, and you should now see buy and sell markers aligned with the strategy's rules. These signals reflect your current symbol and time frame, so if you later change the chart view, the signals will adjust accordingly. To dig into performance, right-click one of the signals on the chart and choose Show Report. This opens a backtest summary with key stats like total trades, win rate, profit and loss, and a trade-by-trade breakdown. Use this to understand how the strategy behaved over the visible chart history under its default assumptions. That's it. You've added a strategy, visualized signals, and generated a quick report. Keep in mind, historical results are hypothetical and not a guarantee of future outcomes. Use this process to explore ideas thoughtfully and build confidence in your analysis.